Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on pixellab easily. Open the pixellab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select another photo, adjust the photo, select the opacity effect, shadow enable button down, select the perspective, adjust the shape, duplicate the photo to back the photo. Select the opacity effect shadow enable button down. Adjust the photo. Change the background color. Adjust the color of shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.